Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can get a free $100,000 free funded account for you to start trading for free in 2025 without you having to deposit any amount. And this $100,000 Profem account requires no deposit at all. It requires no KYC. You don't have to spend a dime on it. And also in the middle of this video I'll be talking about the terms and conditions you have to obey in order for you to be able to withdraw your profit. You add me right, you can be able to withdraw your profit. All you just have to do is to stick to the end of this video and make sure that you watch it carefully so that you won't miss out on the necessary details and also the terms and conditions you have to obey in order for you to be able to withdraw your profit. And also, as you can see right here on my screen, this is my Telegram channel. If you know that you are interested in making money online in 2025, all you just have to do is to join my Telegram channel. It is not compulsory, it is not necessary, but if you know that you're interested in making money every day online in 2025, even if the money is small, all you just have to do is to join my Telegram channel right now. A link will be available for you in the description of this video and will also be pinned in the comment section. All you have to do is to go there, click on the link, join my Telegram channel. And if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, make sure that you like this video, comment and share with your friend so that they also can benefit from this free $100,000 Profem account so that they can start trading for free in 2025. Proceeding to claiming free $100,000 Profem account, the first thing you have to do is to go to the description of this video or the comment section. A link will be pinned there. Just click on the link and it will take you to this home page which you are going to be using to claim this free $100,000 Profem account for you to start trading in 2025. Now, once you get to this home page, the next thing you have to do is for you to sign up. The necessary details, you already know what you're supposed to do. Enter your name, your surname, your last name, enter the necessary details, and once you're done, click on register. A email will be sent to your OTP. Just go back to your email, copy the OTP sent to you and paste it in the platform and click on verify email. So once you're done verifying your email, the next thing for you to do is for you to sign up. Is for you to sign in. So in order for you to sign in, enter the email that you used to sign up and the password that you used to sign up, and once you are done entering it, just click on login. So once you click on login, you will be brought to this interface, and the next thing for you to do is for you to click on no or remind me later. Just make sure that you get rid of this thing showing up on your screen. All right, so you will be taken to this interface. All you have to do is to click on participate now. All you have to do is to click on participate now, and here are the small survey that you are going to be doing in order for you to be able to get your free $100,000 funded account. So just choose this thing wisely, choose them and be patient with them. Just choose them the way they are. They are very simple to do, and within a period of 2 minutes you will be able to done with them. And once you are done, as you can see, submitted successfully, the next thing for you to do is to click on go to dashboard. So once you click on go to dashboard, it's going to bring you to this place. Here are the trading rules, trading guidelines, but these are not the real trading guidelines and the terms and conditions that you are to be looking at, because they are not for the Profem that you are about to claim, because I will be showing you the real one that you are to look at. You just have to watch this video to the very end so that you won't miss out on the right terms and condition for you to be able to withdraw your profit. So now the next thing for you to do is for you to click on the three line above by the right side, click on it and come down to competitions. So once you click on competitions, it's going to bring you to this place, and as you can see, this is a competition list, upcoming and in progress, and the one that has finished already. So these are the one that are upcoming, and the one we are going to be registering for is a September competition, which is also upcoming. And as you can see, the August one that we are supposed to get has already been in progress and we cannot be able to get them again. So we are going to be registering for the September on, so that we'll be able to meet up for the right one, so that we'll be able to get our bonus and start trading. Alright, so now I'll be showing you how you can get this September on, and so that you can start trading with it. All you have to do is to click on enroll. So once you click on enroll, it's going to bring you to this place, and as you can see, this is the rule for the September. This is the terms and this is the rule or the price that will be given. This is the price that will be given to the September competition. For the first position, you will be getting a $5,000 in cash, $5,000 in cash and 100K, and for the second position you'll be getting $2,000. And as you can see, it is available for to the 10th positions. If you are able to be part of the 10th position, you'll be definitely going on with cash price. All right, you'll be going on with cash price. Now, to check about the rules, click on rules by this side. As you can see, the maximum daily loss is 5%, including the floating losses. You can just go through it yourself. You can go through it yourself. This is where you're going to get the terms and condition. The terms and condition is quite easy. Once you're able to get these terms and condition, so everything will be okay. So once you click on enroll, as you can see, you have enrolled successfully. Just click on done and come back few moments later, and you will see your credit over here. So this is me coming back after the moment of the enrollment. So this is me coming back, and as you can see right here on my screen, my current balance is now $100,000 per firm, and we have been credited with our balance. And as you can see, this is it right here on our screen. The next thing I'll be showing you how you can log it in on your MT5 trader app for you to start trading. So make sure you watch this video to the very end so that you won't miss out on the biggest part and the important part. So in order for you to be able to log in, as you can see, this is the account details on our screen. The reason why I am blocking it is because of security purpose. So the next thing for you to do is for you to go to your MT5 trader app. Make sure that you already sync the name of their server in your head, and the name of their server is Funded Nest server. So make sure you copy it in your head. And so let's go to our MT5 trader app. So once you get to your MT5 trader app, when they say that you should find a broker, all you have to type is to type the name of the server that I told you to copy the other time into your head. So type Funded Nest, and you will see they have brought it out for us. Once you get to your MT5 trader app and you are done searching for the name, it will bring you to this place. And once you get to this place, make sure that the server you are searching for is server 3, because make sure that the server you are searching for is Funded Nest server 3. Once you've choose this one, go back to your email or the platform, but I would prefer to go back to the email. So go back to your email to get your login. So copy your login, go back to the MetaTrader 5 app, copy it here, go back to go and copy your password also. So click on it, copy it also. Make sure you copy it very well so that you won't make any mistake. So copy it also, go back to your MT5 trader app, also paste it in here. So make sure that the server you are choosing is Funded Nest server 3. So once you are done with that, click on login and you'll be shocked by what you will see. As you can see, this is it over here. Our account has been credited with $300,000 per firm account, and now you can start trading. In order for you to trade, you can come down to this place. You can analyze the chart that you want to analyze, and you can place your order. And this is our balance over here. As you can see, this is our balance over here. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to drop a comment if you have been able to get yours, and also don't forget to join my Telegram channel so that you'll be keep updated. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy your trade.